Do you have frequent headaches and allergies? Have you developed some sort of sensitivity to fatty foods and anything containing caffeine? Are you having a hard time losing weight? Well, those are just some of the many signs shown by someone with unhealthy liver function. In today's video, we'll talk about 7 natural foods that can cleanse and even heal the liver. But first, let's talk about this hard-working organ. The liver's job is to fulfill over 500 functions. These include filtering blood and metabolizing compounds, and it does all that while maintaining the body's enzyme systems. The liver also produces protein, cholesterol, and bile. More importantly, it functions as a storage for minerals, vitamins, and carbohydrates in the form of glycogen. Clearly, the liver is impressively versatile. However, that doesn't mean it's immune to wear. Just the continuous process of eliminating toxins puts a toll on this vital organ. You need to take good care of your liver, and a great way of keeping it in tip-top shape is by making smart dietary choices. Here are 7 cleansing foods you can include in your diet. Number 1. Garlic. Garlic is a superfood. It's rich in antioxidants that fight damage-causing free radicals. It also contains 39 antibacterial agents that fight infections. Garlic helps activate the liver's detox enzymes, aside from supplying the organ with selenium, an essential mineral that breaks down toxins for easier elimination. In addition, the amino acids present in garlic relax the blood vessels, reducing the pressure of blood that flows to and from the liver. Number 2. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is another excellent choice for anyone aiming for better liver health, as it protects the organ from damage and injury. To be a bit more specific, the fruit is capable of reducing inflammation and keeps cellular damage to a minimum. It can even help counteract the effects of alcohol. Grapefruit contains high amounts of vitamin C and glutathione. These compounds promote tissue repair as well as support the immune system. Number 3. Green leafy vegetables. Eating lots of green leafy vegetables keeps fatty liver disease at bay. What's more remarkable is that those veggies are even capable of slowing down the spread of cancer cells. Vegetables are high in fiber and prevent fat buildup. They also contain beneficial compounds that you cannot find in other kinds of food. Extracts derived from broccoli sprout, for example, have shown promise in preventing liver failure. It also reduces oxidative stress, which can lead to further damage if ignored. Beetroot juice, on the other hand, activates liver enzymes while boosting bile production. Note that bile helps metabolize fat and is essential to nutrition absorption. Number 4. Avocado. Avocado is packed with fiber and healthy fats. While fiber aids weight loss, the fat slows the liver damage. Aside from that, this popular fruit provides an assortment of vitamins including C, E, and K. And in addition to having anti-inflammatory properties, avocado actually improves cholesterol levels. Without a doubt, this fruit is among the healthiest foods in the world. Number 5. Walnuts. You might have already heard about the brain-boosting effects of nuts. Walnuts in particular increase blood flow and improve overall circulation, hence allowing for better brain function. And of course, even the liver benefits from a better functioning circulatory system. The elimination of toxins will be simpler since they are better transported. Walnuts are also rich in amino acids that facilitate detoxification, in addition to supporting the formation of strong cell membranes. Number 6. Fermented foods. Fermented foods are rich in good bacteria, otherwise known as probiotics. These beneficial microbes make it easier for the body to absorb nutrients. Here's an interesting tidbit. Being constipated for 3 days means you need more probiotics in your diet. Once the friendly bacteria settles in your intestines, digestion becomes a much more efficient process. As for the liver, probiotics have been shown to protect it from alcohol and drug-induced damage. While experts are yet to understand the dynamics of that perk, it's good to know that friendly microbes aren't just for the gut. Number 7. Coffee. Coffee is clearly among the most popular beverages. People drink it every day to keep themselves alert and in high spirits. Of course, it also gives you a literal boost in energy. Coffee drinkers are less likely to have liver cancer and other liver diseases. What's more, the beloved beverage can help them in the fight against cirrhosis and hepatitis. The acids present in coffee make those possible. And yes, regardless of whether it's filtered, decaf, or instant, coffee can support liver health, though be sure to drink it in moderation. Every day we get exposed to all sorts of toxins that usually come in the form of preservatives and additives. So, given how hard the liver works in ridding the body of those harmful compounds, it deserves extra care. Give this video a thumbs up and hit that notification bell. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more health tips.